everyone. Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw. This is one of my new listings. This is a beautiful 2018 Galeon 500 fly. The fly has been an extremely popular boat for Galeon. Gives you a ton of living space on it, beautiful bridge, huge salon, big windows on the side, 3 stateroom, 2 head floor plan. So right here we also have a tender garage. This garage comes all the way up. You can put a small tender in there, and it also has a hydraulic swim platform. So come this way, I'll show you more. You can have the wings out on both sides. There's a guardrail that can go here. So for entertaining, it's really nice. This window here opens up, and then the couch comes out here. And this is cool too. So this actually spins all the way around, so you could have it in this position or spun around. Coming over here. Same idea over here. So these wings come out as well. You've got 2 bar stools. And then this window opens, and that makes into a bar right there as well. So let's take a look. Let's go upstairs real quick, and then we'll come back down. So huge bridge on this boat. This one does have the bimini. We have front and stern thrusters as well, and these are the D11 670s. About 400 hours on the engines, and of course diesel generator. So you've got a great view come up here, sun pads, lots and lots of living space. If you notice, all the vinyls are in very nice condition. So this is the bridge. So what we're going to do is head back this way. So really nice galley. So we've got refrigerators, freezers, lots of storage there. In the salon, beautiful layout here. This window here goes up and down. That one goes up and down. So when you're docking or something, need to talk to someone out there, it works out good. Once here at the dash, we have twin 12-inch Ray Marines. And come this way, we'll take a look at the staterooms. So this one's going to have a full beam master. Lots of room inside here. You also have an area right here, which is really nice if you're getting ready for a night on the town. Lots of storage all the way around. And then private entrance for the head. This is a separate shower as well. And then this would be our day head right here, if you want to take a look at this. Same idea. So up front, we've got our traditional island berth right here, which works out great. Storage in here as well, very good headroom. And then we have our bonus room over here. So for, if you have extra guests for the weekend or the kids, they'll really enjoy that. So to recap, 2018 Galeon 500 fly, Volvo D11s, 670 horse, 400 hours. And the boat's currently display at the Fort Lauderdale Boat Show. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give me a call. My name's Jeremy Bradshaw. My number is 941-376-3345. Thanks for taking the time. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.